Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to deactivate your Twitter account, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option. Click on the settings icon in the upper right corner, and then click on this arrow in the upper left corner. Tap on your account, which is the first option, and click on the last option, deactivate your account. Here, as you can see, you can read text and an introduction to this issue. And if you are done with reading this, tap on deactivate down below. First, you need to type in your password and click on deactivate. Tap on yes, deactivate. As you can see, your account is deactivated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.